ApeStellar Keyless Entry Door Lock. Made of heavy zinc alloy, IP54 weather resistant. You want to make sure it's facing up. Go ahead and put the deadbolt in place on the top. Take your keypad, go ahead and insert it into the front. You want to push the wire through. Then you take the rear lock. Uses 4 AA batteries with a battery life up to 1 year. Features like wrong code attempt limit, vacation mode, mute mode, and low battery warning. Backlit keypad and a low battery indicator. Dedicated lock button. Lock your door with a single touch. Can create up to 50 passcodes for family, or create temporary one-time passcodes for visitors. Now let's go ahead and try to do the auto lock feature. We're gonna go ahead and type in our admin code, hit unlock. Now we're gonna press 5 and unlock for that feature. We're gonna enter the value in seconds. We're gonna hit 0.5 for that seconds and hit unlocked, and that should activate our auto lock feature. There you go. Now it's locked. Now let's try and enable vacation mode where none of the buttons would work. We're gonna go ahead and hit our admin code, hit unlock. This time we're going to press 1 and 0 and then unlock. Then we're going to go ahead and press 1 and unlock. Now we're entered in vacation mode. Now the buttons were locked. None of the buttons actually work. To get out of vacation mode, you want to hold the unlock button for about 3 seconds and wait for a short beep. Once you hear that, go ahead and enter your admin code, then hit unlock. Now you're out of vacation mode. Anti-peep code protection by entering random digits before or after your correct PIN code. Wrong code entry limit. Operation will stop for 60 seconds if wrong codes are entered over 4 times. Lever is universal, left or right hand doors.